It's undeniable that weft hair extensions are the most popular hair type that many people use. But to be honest, before deciding to buy weft hair extensions, you should know all the information about this hair type, especially pros and cons of weft hair extensions. Watch this video and I will give you all information about the pros and cons of weft hair extensions. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, the manager of K Hair Factory. Similar to how every product has benefits and drawbacks as well, weft hair extension will have both. Before deciding whether to buy weft hair extensions, carefully read the list of advantages and disadvantages below. Weft hair extensions have both benefits and drawbacks, but I will start with the benefits. The benefits of applying hair extension without the need of additional instruction is how straightforward this process is. Girls who usually don't have a lot of time to get ready in the morning, like busy women, make excellent candidates for weft hair extensions. You won't need to be concerned about the weft hair extension coming out of your hair unless the braids become loose. So you may use silicone or oil-based product to style your hair. With the right maintenance, weft hair extension may last 2 to 3 years. Because the weft hair extensions are recyclable, you may save a lot of money. You may reuse the extension with additional double-side tapes after remove them for roughly 6 to 8 weeks. Weft hair extensions are typically always affordable. You will always spend less but receive inferior weft hair extension if you purchase from Vietnamese market. Now, let's take a look at their disadvantages. The hair extension may cause your hair to feel uncomfortably tight. Following installations, you can also have headache and pressure drop. It's important to regularly wash hair extensions. If you don't, it will become dirty and cause an infection to your scalp. And last, it might be challenging to discover a reliable hair distributor. The demand for hair extensions is growing, which has quickly resulted in hair scammers. So you have to be careful when choosing a hair supplier. In general, the advantages and disadvantages of weft hair extensions are well discussed above. I believe that we all need to get to at least one type of weft hair extension, since they are not only improve your natural beauty, but also give you more self-assured. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.